Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve listening skills. First, commit to active listening. This means giving the speaker your full attention, making eye contact, and putting away your phone. Resist the urge to interrupt, even if you have a question. Let them finish their point completely. Show you're engaged with subtle nods and an open posture. This foundation is crucial for truly understanding. Next, focus on understanding and clarifying. After the speaker finishes, try to rephrase what you heard in your own words. This confirms you've grasped their message correctly. Don't be afraid to ask open-ended questions, like "Could you tell me more about that?" Or "What are your thoughts on this?" Also, pay attention to their tone and body language to pick up on unspoken feelings. To truly listen, you must minimize distractions. This involves both external and internal noise. Seek out a quiet space where you won't be interrupted by phones or other people. Internally, acknowledge any wandering thoughts, then gently bring your focus back to the speaker. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay present and fully engaged in the moment, improving your concentration significantly. Finally, remember that improving listening skills requires consistent practice and patience. Make a conscious effort in every conversation to apply these techniques. Ask trusted friends or colleagues for feedback on your listening. It's a skill that develops over time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate, dramatic changes. Small, consistent efforts lead to significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.